Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to check and install extension settings in Google Chrome. So if you have extensions that you are added in Google Chrome, you can easily find and access those settings. So to do that, you want to go ahead and access the extension. So click the three that's on the upper right and go where it says extensions and just click on manage extensions. Now here you'd be able to find all of your extensions that are added in Chrome. And so from here, in order to access a Chrome extensions settings, just go to where it says details. And once you click on that, it's going to expand. It's going to show you the description. It's going to show that it's on. You will see some permissions right here, some site settings for it, and anything that is allowed and all those good stuff that you can find here. You can even remove it. You can see source, all of this stuff. So if the extension comes with any additional settings, they're going to be looking slightly different, but this is how you can actually find those settings for the extensions that have been added to Google Chrome. And that's it.